Alright, in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process on how to make money on the new site I just found, Metroopinion. So the first step is to go over to your Google search and type in Metroopinion. Okay, you're going to search in Metroopinion. Okay, so you're going to search in Metroopinion. After searching for Metroopinion, you're going to be brought to this home page where you're going to click on Metroopinion. Okay, so once you click on Metroopinion, this is a site that pays you for surveys. That's after taking surveys, you're going to get paid. As you can see, you can register in 30 seconds and you answer your question and get paid. Okay, as many questions you can answer, you're going to earn money. Okay, so as you can see how much you can earn by working from home. You will get paid for every survey you participate in. It is a solid side income. Okay, so answer surveys on desktop, tablet, or a smartphone. So irrespective of the type of desktop or device you're using, you can actually earn money online using Metroopinion. As you can see how to earn money on surveys, it is easy to join Metroopinion and start to earn money surveys. Okay, so after this step, we're going to head over to the sign up page where we are going to sign up. Okay, so we're going to choose our country. We are required to choose our country before we sign up. So you're going to go over to your country. As for me, I'm from Nigeria. I'm going to choose Nigeria, okay, to make money online using this site. Okay, so once you click on your country, if you're from Asia, you can go over to choose your country. If you're from Europe, you can choose your country. If you're from North America, you can choose your country. If you're from South America, you can go ahead to choose your country. Okay, so after choosing your country, you're going to require to start. Okay, so here we are going to put in our details. All right, so I'm going to put in my details. All right, so I'm going to put in my details in order to sign in Metroopinion. Okay, okay, then I'm going to insert my password. So I'm going to put in my password. Alright, then you're going to go over to sign up. Okay, so the next is to go over to your login. Alright, as you can see, congratulations, you are one step closer to earning. As soon as we find the right survey, you will receive an invitation to participate. Okay, so you're going to go over to the login tab and tap in the login in order for us to see the next step for us to start earning on this amazing website. Okay, so irrespective of where you are coming from or the device you are using, you can actually make money using this survey. As you can see, we have been logged in into our account, and as you can see profile 100, and if you click on the profile, you're going to see the type of questions you can actually answer. As you can see, for occupation you have 15 questions, for household you have 19 questions, for electronics you have 11 questions, and other questions. Okay, so as you can see, if you are able to answer almost 20 questions a day, just make sure or know that you're going to earn a lot of money using this website. Okay, and if you go over to rewards, you are going to see the rewards you are earning. All right, you're going to see your balance, and as you can see, you are earning in dollars. Okay, and had you been with taking any survey, you're going to see the activity showing here. Okay, and if you go over to your profile again, you can click on household. Once you click on household, you're going to see the number of questions that you're required to answer. As you can see, how many people live in the household including you. You're going to see what is your marital status, what the best describes of your accommodation, what best describes your accommodation, do you live in. You're going to answer these questions, and once you answer these questions, you're going to be able to set up your profile. Okay, so once you set up your profile, you're going to be sent an email whenever they have a survey that matches your profile. Okay, so these questions on your profile are meant to be answered by you. Then whenever you have a survey, you're going to come here and click on survey. As you can see, there are no surveys for us at the moment because we've not completed our profile. Okay, so you can go over to complete your profile. Once you complete your profile, then log in into your account and take surveys to earn money on Metroopinion. Hope you have been able to learn one or two things on how to make money on this great website, Metroopinion. If this is your first time watching my video, click on the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and share this video to others in order for them to discover this great website on how to make money online. Okay, so do well to share your comment with me in the comment section for me to know the places I'm going to improve on and the places you think I need to contribute when creating my video. Thank you.